In the last class, we have learned how to get your GitHub domain. So this class, we're going to learn how to write your blogs with Markdown. So in the last lesson, you have your GitHub pages, and it should show like your site is published at your username.github.io. So in this lesson, we are going to use our readme.md to write our blogs. So we are using this thing called markdown. And markdown, it actually is a markup language like HTML and XML and such. But it is really easy to use. So let's find. So, and let's continue. So Markdown is a markup language, and here is, so I'm going to give you a little example. There are different, so in order to use Markdown, they have not like HTML, which is like this. They have those long divs and HTMLs and bodies and heads, which is really hard if you are not good at coding. But Markdown itself is really easy. All you need is hashtags, stars, and some little very basics of HTML. So let's start with headers. There are 6 types of headers. Header 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each represented by hashtags. So let's see how they look. So this is the first 1 hashtag, 2 hashtags, 3 hashtags. And it's amazing. And there are also URLs I'm gonna teach you. There are also URLs, and here is some. So this is the link, so the text you want to display, and this is the link, the URL for the link. And for bold and italics, you can have 2 for bold, 1 for italics, and 3 for both bold and italics. And for images, same as the link, but it's like adding a exclamation mark at the very start. For codes, I recommend using HTML since it's bad to use Markdown with code. So I recommend use HTML, which is this code. And for multiple codes, you can use 4 spaces, like here, 4 spaces, and you are okay. So those are really the basics of Markdown, but they are enough. Really, they are enough for you to write a blog. So now let's see how does the site work. Let's see. Yeah. So the site, like the theme we've before, this is the Cayman theme, and here's the headers, like 1 hashtag, 2 hashtag, 2, 6 hashtag, bold, italics, links, and images, and codes. Amazing, right? So now you can go to write your own blog right now, and you are able to write this amazing blogs without even knowing HTML, which is amazing. So the next class we're going to study about Git. So I recommend you to first download Git to have the best experience and follow us throughout our lesson.